Hello. Hi everyone. I'm Kristen. I have been studying Forex trading for a long time and I couldn't quite get it properly. And then I discovered Forex Beginners Academy by Saad Ali. It has changed my Forex trading. It's free, first of all. Thanks, Sadi, for that. I have learned so many things. I've learned how to draw support and resistance, trend lines, channels. I know market structures. I can analyze the charts on TradingView. I know how to analyze candlestick patterns. Oh God, it's amazing. The tutorials are great. Please join. It's free, you don't pay anything. Unbelievable. Plus that, we have a Facebook group for the students. You post what you've learned, your videos, and Sad will review them and give you feedback. How great is that? Please join. Start on your journey. Thank you, bye.